welcome back to my channel. Jhaycell here. Today we will doing the comparison by Tubebuddy and VidIQ. Okay, so actually I'm using both application, both extension by the YouTube. So actually I from the Tubebuddy and then I from VidIQ for the very beginning, and then I go to the Tubebuddy, and then I go back to the VidIQ because of that. Then when I started to pay, then after few months they will get problem from the PayPal at the time. So then after few months again, so I will go through the VidIQ. So since the VidIQ, the keywords is not really high than the Tubebuddy, that which is the Tubebuddy helped me a lot, and the time that I am doing when I was before the monetization, that or is teach me step by steps, like for example the tags, and the title and the keywords. The main thing is the keywords. So that's why when I was doing before my YouTube, before I become a officially YouTuber, so I am using the Tubebuddy actually. Then after the few months ago will be declined. So that is the main thing only. So the Tubebuddy is, I realized that they have a few member perks, like for example free, they have a free, they have a lot of things, they have the epidemic. Okay, so they have free tools. For example, you just started, the YouTuber started kit, they have this, and then you can access the under the Tubebuddy, you can access by the, for example, the tags, they will show everything, and then they will show you how when they show you the thing, for the example the Tubebuddy keywords. Okay, you can ask them the keywords, so especially the for making the thumbnail. Okay, so I'm using it sometimes in the laptop, I am not using in my phone using the thumbnail. So both there in the extension is have a beside is a Tubebuddy and the VidIQ. So sometimes I could press the VidIQ is okay. When you never purchase the license from the Tubebuddy, you cannot be access go through to make the thumbnail. Okay, so that is the main thing, that which is I go back to the VidIQ. Okay, so actually the Tubebuddy is really best for me, that teach me for the when they are the checklist, they have a checklist. Okay, they have a checklist that you already done by the thumbnail, you already done by the end screen, you already done by the playlist, all these things. They have a practice for you, they will guide you. Okay, so the VidIQ is they don't have my daughter, so they don't have, but the only one thing they have the a smaller part from the VidIQ. Okay, so the Tubebuddy is really good at, which is you, if you really started, when you want to be a starting kit from that, if you really want the extension, it's really advisable the Tubebuddy also. And then actually recently I did purchase from the VidIQ, but the only one thing, so I just purchased that one. But the Tubebuddy, they have a lifetime. That is the main thing. Okay, so they have a lifetime. So when you do the, like for example the pro and then the star, so you can do a lot of things. So the VidIQ is you have to purchase the first one only. For example here I will show you. Okay, for example here we will do from here. Okay, so here, okay, we do this one on the top. Okay, here. Okay, we do that. Okay, smaller a bit. Okay, for example here, the Tubebuddy. Okay, so here they will show you here everything, but it have also in the VidIQ, have also the same in the VidIQ. But the only one thing is, like, for example, SEO, like this, for example. So how to use, for example, this, and they will show you that. Okay, so that is the main thing. If you never purchase from the TubeBuddy, it will come out like this. Okay, so that is the best thing also for them. And then the VidIQ. Okay, so the VidIQ, when you find the VidIQ, the SEO, it will come out like this. Okay, so it will come out by this. Okay, so just like this. Okay, so if you never go and upgrade to the boost, you cannot open. Okay, so all the same. And then, for example, you want to go through the, for example, you want to go to the tags also in the VidIQ. Okay, I show you. Okay, so the VidIQ tags, they won't show you also. They don't show you. But the only one thing in the TubeBuddy is not really all they will show you, but they will show you the main thing here. Okay, for example, okay, here, if you download something, you can see from here, sorry, so you can see from your studio, you can see the TubeBuddy application, which is the extension that really best from that. Okay, so the VidIQ is really quite costly, the second one, when you want to purchase. The TubeBuddy is quite okay, not quite okay meant like affordable, but you feel happy from them, because they will show you everything that which is, for example, you want to, okay, for example, here, they will show you from here. And then the analytics also, even you never purchase yet, they will show you. Okay, so they will show you everything. And then, for example, when you want to, the only one thing, that VidIQ is quite costly. I did before, but I moved out because of the very costly. And then I noticed that the TubeBuddy, I use it most of the time. Like, for example, the SEO, when you want to post to the Facebook, the tags, the keyword tools, the main thing is the keyword tools. Okay, so I always use most of the time in the TubeBuddy. So actually, I purchased two, but the only one thing is I could understand, as on my own experience, I could understand a lot more in the TubeBuddy than the VidIQ. Okay, so that is my own experience, the two extension in the YouTube. Okay, so that is the best thing that I have experienced in the TubeBuddy. They have a member perks free, and they have a YouTuber, or you just started, they have a on topic. And then that's why the VidIQ is don't have all these things. Okay, so it's very busy. The TubeBuddy, that's why I come from VidIQ, I come to the TubeBuddy. So the TubeBuddy, because of the payment decline, I'm not sure what happening. So it's declined, so I go back to the VidIQ. So that's why when I get the monetization because of the TubeBuddy, actually, because the two of them is helped me a lot. But most of the time, who helped me a lot is the TubeBuddy. So that is the best thing, the comparison from TubeBuddy and the VidIQ. Okay, so this is what I share to you guys, that is the best thing. What I can share to you is the best part of, you have to purchase the extension of the YouTube if you want to become a YouTuber, if you want to be a blogger, if you want to have a YouTube channel, because we don't know everything. Actually, we don't even know how to go through. So they will guide you. Actually, they will guide you. If you, the TubeBuddy, the best thing is you can see it's very friendly. Okay, so even you never purchase in the TubeBuddy, I still can see in my mobile phone. Okay, so I can open from here. So I can open from here, which is they will show me. Look at it. Look at that. They will show me, and they will show me even you never purchase also. They will show you everything. Okay, so the milestone they will show you even you never purchase from them. Okay, so that is the best, which is I highly appreciated from the Tubebuddy. Okay, so because they really helped me a lot. Then the VidIQ also recently I do because of the payment if the video Tubebuddy is declined. So that is the main thing also. So here you can see at the mobile, that is what I really love the Tubebuddy. So I really highly appreciate it before I monetize, because I can organize my YouTube videos in my YouTube channel because of them. Okay, so they will give me and show me everything, how to make my thumbnail, how it is my thumbnail, is it my videos is can do the optimize, so the Tubebuddy really helped me a lot. Because of the payment decline, so I really needed the guide for my videos and YouTube channel, so I'll go back to the VidIQ. That is the main thing. So I hope that the Tubebuddy will fix this problem, that they can decline the payment method. Okay, so this is only one thing that they have to change. They have to improve. So that is the main thing what I'm trying to say because of that. So until now, I never do the Tubebuddy because of the payment decline. So I have a big problem for that. So I hope they will improve that. They have a friendly for the payment method by the people. Of course, their payment method is from the PayPal, designed by the VidIQ. But the Tubebuddy is quite sensitive, so I hope that they can do the improvement of that. Even we already put the things in the PayPal, but it's still the same. Okay, so I try my best to fix it, but still the same. When I do the payment, is always declined. So that is the main thing, which is I come out from the Tubebuddy, I go back to the VidIQ, because the VidIQ, the payment method is really fast. Even they are not accepted yet, but if you want to purchase, they will agree for a few days, they will accept it if you want to fix your payment method. That is the main thing. So I hope the Tubebuddy will fix that. Okay, so hope you guys please support my channel. Hope that you always subscribe and watch my videos, which can help me. And then don't skip the ads, which is I always earn from that. Okay, thank you so much for supporting me. Even I'm a new YouTuber from this, thank you so much for support, and thanks a lot for always watching with me. For those who are subscribed me, thanks a lot. I got subscribers 2,500 plus. So thanks a lot. It's not easy to find someone that of the subscribers. Good. Thanks a lot. See you for the next video, guys. So thanks to you so much. Please subscribe my channel, watch the videos, comments. The best thing is I don't have comments. I don't know what's happening. So friends, please comment my videos. Then it really makes me happy, and thanks a lot for you. Okay, so thanks a lot. Goodbye, guys. Oh, anyway, guys, this is the best thing comparison, the Tubebuddy and the VidIQ. Okay, so hope you guys purchase the two, and then you can do the comparison also for your channel. Okay, thank you so much. I love you guys. Best thing we do, be happy and smile. Sharing is caring. Thank you so much. Bye.